Thanks for watching. We're going to show the Bestcare folding patient lift. This is an electric version. As you'll see, it's in a folded setup right now, so it's already down, folded up. One of the nice features about this is it can also stand up. So if you want to put this in a closet or something like that, you could do that. As far as disassembling it, when you put it back down, you have a pin right here, okay? You just take that pin out of there, right there, just like that. Raise this up, and what I recommend doing, you can lock these wheels, that way it doesn't move on you. And then you go right here and slide that pin back in. So it's a real simple process as far as that goes. The next thing you do is you take this pin right here out, and you will slide this in. Now, there's a little locking mechanism. I'm not gonna do that because it takes just a second to show, but I just want to let you see how it locks in, okay? You look right here, this is going to be your, how you turn it on. You can use it from here or from the remote. You'll see it's very, very quiet. So you can raise it up or down. You have the ability to charge it right here. I'll show you the charger here in a moment. You also can widen the base so you can get around, whether it's wheelchairs or a regular recliner or something of that nature. All you have to do is that. That's how you unlock it. You can maneuver it around this way. And as far as putting a sling on it, I'm gonna raise this up to show you that it goes pretty high. Has a 400-pound weight capacity. So we've had a lot of success with these here at All Star Medical. A lot of our customers have liked it because it's portable, that if you did travel, you could put it in the trunk of a car. And then if you're not using it all the time, you could easily stand it up against a wall, put it in a closet or something like that. So that's where this really comes in handy, and it's reasonably priced. We'll have the link in the description below, all our information kind of showing you how this works. But I'm gonna grab a sling right here. And so what I did is I have a commode cutout sling. I'm just gonna set it on there's a couple different ways to hook this up. I'm gonna set it on the number 2 level here, which is basically just the second loop. And then the other one just goes on the second loop, and you'll see that it just slides in. So it's easy to deal with. You can get different types of slings. This one's a commode cutout sling. So, something by choice or what's needed for the patient. This one here, you just got it. This one has a handle, kind of help somebody maneuver and adjust the customer, or the patient, I should say. I can spin it around that way as well. So if I'm needing to do something like that, getting them in and out of bed or to and from a chair, that's where that comes in real handy. But the biggest thing about it is the portability side. I mean, being able to take this with you, that's such a challenge for a lot of our customers. Like if they travel or want to go see family, these are not always that easy to do. Again, electric, 400-pound weight capacity. This is just the only thing you need to charge it. That gets hooked in right here. And then just plug it into the wall. So very easy to deal with. You can get this at All Star Medical. You can call us at 615-730-9438, or you can order it online at All Star Medical LLC. Please follow us for our other videos that we have. We have all sorts of things, anything from mobility scooters, lift chairs, other patient lifts, things like that. We appreciate any comments you want to put. We'd be glad to answer them for you. And you have a great day. Thanks.